Of all the provinces in the country, Uva is the poorest province, and of all the districts in the province, the Monaragala district is the poorest. The poverty level was 14.5 when he took office. He showed all of his qualifications and came into power, and by the end of his 5-year term, all he has done for Uva was that he made the Monaragala district the poorest district in the country.
98% of this area has electricity today. In a few days, 100% of this area will have electricity. By next year, we will commence projects here. Even as we speak, we have spent millions on a drinking water project in this electorate. That is to give you water from taps. We are making major developments by constructing factories, stadiums and developing the economy of this area.
If you went to the hospital about 30 to 40 years ago, you would find the doctors inside the hospital. But today, where are they? On the streets. And back then, if you wanted medicine, you get it from inside the hospital. Today, you had to get it outside the hospital. It is the same with blood and urine test. What is being done? They should start taking everything back inside now.
The UNP cannot get on the same platform in the country today. We do have an issue in winning over, but in comparison to that UNP, this government led by His Excellency the President is and has always been with the people of this country.
There was faith in powerful parties and powerful politicians, but today they have all deceived all of you. Your hopes were dashed. Your wishes and expectations were not taken any notice of. Your lives are getting worse day by day and you have no alternative. Parties were too hung up on politics and you voted to either blue or green. And today the country is far behind from the other countries. It is the powerful parties and politicians who should be held accountable for this.
What are businesses that politicians have today? Have you seen a politician in the Valimada and Badulla electorates who have constructed a factory which manufactures mammoths and sells them to farmers for a low price and provide an income for them or provide jobs for youth? Have you heard of any such things? No. However, you get businesses like marijuana cultivations, smuggling of cattle, commissions, bribes, ransoms. Am I lying? They have bars, they bring down ethanol and drugs. They have brothels, casinos and hotels. They take over lands in cities and villages and even the sea coast. Don't politicians do this? These are the new businesses of politicians. But when you bring this up, they say you are slinging mud at projects.